Guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this tutorial what we are going to do is we are going to work on this add to cart activity, that is add to cart functionality. So whenever the user wants to purchase more than one item, first you need to add to the cart. So let us work on that in this activity. So let us start doing, and keep in mind we have named the ID as add to cart button. And let us go to product details activity, and right now we can create it. We need to set the button first, private button, add to cart button. Make sure you are naming your variables accordingly, because whenever in future if you want to revise your code, you can just see your variable name and you can guess the functionality what it does. So name your new variable wisely. And here we need to just find view by id, that is add to cart button equal to find view by id or dot id dot add to cart button. And now we have what we have is we need to set the on click listener, which is set on click listener, new on click listener. Yeah, I hope everything is fine, and I have already tested the application. Just let me delete it. Yeah, now we need to create a method for it. We can just create a method adding to cart and name your functions also accordingly, so you can just guess what it does and just create this method. And now what we can do is, so let us now create it. So whenever the user adds to the cart, we can get the current time and date. Wait a minute. Yeah, current time and date when the user has uploaded to the cart. That is, we have no internet connection, and now we have internet connection. That was the problem, and now it's solved. And we can get the current date and time when the user has added the product to the cart list. So for doing that, we can just go to admin, add new product activity, and we have here this calendar and time. So just copy it and we can paste it, so we no need to type it again. We have the calendar, we have imported the calendar function, we have got the current date and current time, and we are going to upload it as save current date and save current time. We are saving it as save current date and save current time, and we need to upload it to the database later. It's so hard to teach, but it is so lovely, I love it. We need to name it as save current date, and we have save current time. And yeah, that's it. And now what we can do is we need database reference, private database reference. We can name it as cart list reference, because it's cart list reference. In this on create method, we can pass it right here, cart list reference, cart list reference equal to, it's not Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference dot child. We are gonna pass the child as cart list. We can keep anything if you want. And now here, what do we have here is, yeah, now after creating this, we need to create a hash map for saving those values. Hash map, and we have string, and we have object, and we can name it as cart map because it's using cart list. And you can name anything you want, and hash map and cart map dot put. We need to put the string variables, which is product id, and we have named it as product id, which we have got from the previous class, that is previous activity, which is home activity, and we are passing it here, and we are going to copy it for one time, and we are going to paste it for 8 more time. 3 7 8 9, I hope so it's enough. And we have the name, and we have, first let me complete this. We have name, price, weight, we have usage, we have description and duration, description and duration, and we are gonna pass the date also, date when the product is added and the time when the product is added. And now we are gonna get it dot get text dot toString. And now we have one more also, we have quantity. Yeah, forget the quantity. Yeah, quantity is also must. Yeah, we have price dot get text dot toString. We have weight dot get text dot toString, and we have usage dot get text dot toString. We have description dot get text dot toString, and duration also is there. We need to get text dot get text dot toString, and the date is save current date, and the time is save current time, and we have the quantity as, yeah, we have the quantity as, yeah, elegant number button dot get number. It is already in string, so we don't need to convert it to string. And now what we can do is we can upload it to our database. So for that, it is not that, it is cart list reference dot child, and our child is, first we are gonna view it in two angles, that is user view and admin view. The user view will be viewed by the users and admin view will be viewed by the admins. Yeah, that is what we want. And now we have a child. What child we have is, we need to get the prevalent. It is prevalent. We need to save it under the current online user dot get phone, and we have one more child. We can just bring it down, and we have one more child as products. We are saving the products, and we have child called product ID. Yeah, we are having a product ID, and we are gonna upload it to database, update children. What we are gonna update is cart map. So we are updating the cart map, and in the cart map we need to set an complete listener, new on complete listener. And here what do we gonna do is we are gonna upload the same information again, but in the different node. Let me say what it is. Yeah, I have said it already. Let me say you again, which is admin view. We have two views and we don't need this products right here. Yeah, it's now clear. And cart map, and we are gonna add on complete listener, new on complete listener. And here what we are gonna do is we are gonna display a toast message for it. And in this toast message what we are gonna display is, yeah, added to cart successfully. That is what we are doing right here. Added to cart successfully. It's not double L, it is double L. And we are gonna send the user to home activity, start activity, product details activity. It's not this, it is, first we need to pass the intent. Intent is product dot this, and we need to send the user to home activity dot class. Yeah, it's now fine, it should work fine. And let me pass the semicolon right here and right here also. And yeah, everything is working fine, and I have already run my application in the mobile phone. So what I would like to do is I'm just running it. Otherwise let us check for any errors. And let me now run our app in my mobile, because I have already did this. Keep in mind, I will do it before, I will do a trial before doing a course. Our username is 1234, phone number is 1234, and the password is 1234, and I am now logging it as user, and it is logged in. And we are gonna purchase the chicken. That is, we are gonna purchase 10 12 piece. I think 15 is good, otherwise I can go above 22 is good. We are going to purchase 22 chickens right now. We have added to cart successfully, you can see it here. Yeah, it is cart list admin view. We have the chicken, 22 quantities of chicken of price 200. We have user view, Here do we have, yeah, chicken in the user view. Now we are gonna buy the car. We can buy one, I think one to, yeah, four is good. We are gonna buy four cars. Yeah, it is now added to the database, so you can see the live update right now here. So it is added to database. Yeah, it is now good. It is working pretty fine, and in the next video I will test our application in real device. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.